Want to sell products directly from your Shopify blog post? In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add a buy now button using Shopify's free buy button app. No coding needed. First, we need to install the buy button app. It's a free product by Shopify and lets you embed product buttons anywhere, even outside Shopify. And here, and now we click on buy button channel, click install. Once installed, it will show the dashboard of the buy button app. Now click on create a buy button. Now you will get two options, product buy button or collection buy button. We will click on product buy button. Now we will select the button from here. Now customize the look. You can change the button text, layout, and even behavior. Layout, here are three styles. I will set it as basic and redirect it to checkout directly. Now, once you are happy with the settings, click next and copy the embed code. This is what we will paste into our blog post. Now, let's add this to your blog post. Go back to Shopify admin, open the blog post you want to edit. Now, in here, in the contents, click on here. This is the option that will allow us to see the HTML. In this, you can put the code wherever you want to show the button. Now I will add the code at the end. And save. Now click on view or preview to see the magic. You should now see a fully functional buy now button right inside your blog post. Now, after some refreshes, here it is, buy now. Bonus tip, make sure to check the button on mobile. Shopify's buy button is responsive by default, but double check the layout to be sure everything looks clean. And here. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you have turned your blog into a sales tool, whether you are telling a story or sharing a tutorial. Now you can monetize it directly. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. For questions or need help with customization, drop them in the comments below.